আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, শফিন আহমেদ। আমি এসে পড়লাম ইংল্যান্ডে, ইউকে থেকে বলছি। আমি আপনাদের লন্ডন আইয়ের এখানে আমি ঘুরতে এসেছি। সো এখানে আমি অনেকের ইন্টারভিউ নিচ্ছি। সো এখানে একজন আপু দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, তো তার সাথে একটু কথা বলি। সো দেখি সে তার ইংলিশ লেভেলটা কি। সো আমরা ইন্টারন্যাশনালি অনেকে ইংরেজি শিখছি এবং ইন্টারন্যাশনালি কোন দেশের মানুষ কেমন ইংলিশ বলে এবং তারা কীভাবে ইংরেজি শেখে সেটা নিয়ে কাজ করবো। আসেন তার সাথে একটু কথা বলি। এক্সকিউজ মি ম্যাম, মে আই টক টু ইউ?
Yeah, sure.
ডু ইউ স্পিক ইংলিশ?
Yes, I speak English.
Could you please come here?
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
You're from France?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Chinese.
You're Chinese, right?
Yeah.
So how long have you been living here?
Here
In France?
In France for more than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
Yeah.
So what are you doing in the UK? Are you a visitor or something?
traveling.
You're traveling? How long have you been traveling?
Since yesterday.
Since?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah,
Okay.
already.
How long will you be here? আপনি এখানে কতদিন থাকবেন? How long will you be
1
here?
week.
1 week.
Yeah.
So are you traveling with your daughter?
Yes.
I can see your daughter.
It is a vacation of my daughter.
Oh, it's our vacation. School is off.
Yeah, school.
Okay, fine. So I know Chinese people, they learn English, and some people they are learning English. So how did you learn English?
From my experience, we started study English since middle school.
Middle school.
Yeah, middle school.
Okay, middle school means class. What class?
What class? Middle school. I mean middle school.
Okay, middle school means 10 years old or 15 years old, 7 years.
11, 12.
11 years old they get our English sheke. And how long do you learn English in the school? Do you learn English?
Yeah,
Do you have every day?
every day.
Every day. How long do you learn? What time do you learn? How long?
I don't remember exactly, but
30 minutes, 20 minutes
I think about 1-2 hour per day.
per day.
I don't remember. It's
Okay,
the
just maybe 60
long time.
an hour or something, right? Apart from your other subjects, right?
Yeah,
With your
it's
other
like
subjects.
mathematics,
So how many?
Chinese? It's like this kind of lessons.
right,
so
right.
it's a main course, main lesson.
Okay, how many days do you go to class?
5 days.
5 days school.
Yeah.
And one day, how many subjects do you learn in school?
How many subjects? You mean like mathematics?
How many classes you take? I'm sorry. It's okay. Okay.
From like in the morning 4,
Four?
in the afternoon 3.
Okay. And how long do you learn English in China?
How long? You mean?
You mean in your middle school? 2 years, 3 years, 6 years.
Like middle school 3 years.
3
5
years
to
you learn
6
English?
years, like 6 years.
Is it everywhere in China, like Chinese
everywhere.
now? So before China, they didn't learn English, but
Yeah.
nowadays they are learning English.
Now from very early age.
Very early age, right?
The kindergarten.
So when did Chinese started learning English? Like in 2001 or 2015 or something?
I cannot tell exactly from when. For me, we start from middle school. Like I think from the 16th or 17th, there are some people who already started learning English. But this, I cannot answer this question exactly.
Okay, that's I understand. That is the information. Like I have an educational YouTube channel, right? I'm an English teacher. I'm from Bangladesh. I travel the world. I make English spoken, presentation video, conversation video, and I also talk different types of people, right? How they talk in English, how they learn English. I ask them some questions, and that's it. And how do you feel? Like I travel the world. I make English videos. Do you really like it?
Yeah, I like this because we share our experience with others.
Okay.
And we travel, we see different people, different culture, and we share languages, experience, we make friends. Yeah, it's very good.
So that's all about it. And what's your name?
You,
Okay, and your daughter's name?
Ilona.
Okay. And does she go to school?
Yeah.
Okay, dear brothers and sisters, আপনারা জানতে পারলেন যে আমি internationally I'm traveling different countries in the world, right? I'm trying to make some types of conversation, presentation videos for you, especially my Bangladeshi people. I really love you. And আমি যে ট্রাভেল করে different ইন্টারভিউ নিচ্ছি, কনভারসেশন করছি, প্রেজেন্টেশন করছি, আপনাদের কেমন লাগছে সবাই এটা আমাকে কাছে কমেন্ট করে যাবেন, লাইক অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না, এবং অনেক ফেসবুকে এটা শেয়ার করতে পারেন যাতে আপনার ফ্রেন্ডরাও যেন এই ইনফরমেশনগুলো, এই ইংলিশগুলো শিখতে পারে। অ্যান্ড অবশ্যই আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন। আর আজকে সাবস্ক্রাইব কেউ করে কিন্তু যাবেন না। লাইক আই অলওয়েজ সে, I want to teach people, I want to reach people. Assalamu alaikum.